Hey everybody, I wound up working from home today, and so someone made me realize the other day on Twitter that I could use my 3D printer to print a stencil and use it in spray painting. So I decided to go ahead and take advantage of that, and I wound up making a stencil with my silly face on it. Let's see if we can show it off here. So I'm going to try, and we'll see if I'll do a good job, and use this spare piece of drywall and spray paint my face on it. You can see in the lower left-hand corner there that the 3D print started to peel up. I'll probably need to modify that. The failure should actually, well, it shouldn't hurt anything. I think this will work just fine for what I want to try and do. Let's see if I can do this without making a huge mess. So bad at spray painting. The amount of overspray that I had, maybe I should have made my face smaller, the stencil bigger, or maybe I should be better at spray painting. I'm not especially skilled at it. Normally I would say, let something like this dry, but I don't really care, and I'm curious. So I'm going to go ahead and do the reveal right now. Hopefully not. Make a mess of myself. What do you think? How'd that turn out? Leave your comments down below.